Hi guys, my name is Nathan. This is my fourth video of Cisco Packet Tracer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure router using console port via console port from a PC. Actually, here we can see why we use console port. In real life, we can directly configure the router, but in software, we can open the router and configure. But in real life, we can't do like that. For that, we use the PC and console cable. From the PC, we can configure the router. Okay. And also, I'm going to show how to configure the Telnet. And additionally, I'm going to show you how to create the banner, which is a welcome note into the router. First, we are going to configure a router using a console port. In this router, in previous tutorial video, I already assigned the IP address and some configurations. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to apply routing protocol, which is the router RIP. Okay, so first I'm going to place the two generic PC, and I'm going to change the name. So PC3, and this is a PC4, and connect both PCs using the console cable. Select the PC as a console port, and also select router console port. Same method I use the second PC. Now open the PC and go to the desktop. Okay, and click the terminal. Alright, in terminal, when I click the terminal, the terminal configuration window is open. In default, it has some setups here. So by default, we leave as it is saying, and click OK. Now we can see our router 1. Let's ask the password, then type the password, enable it, again password. Now we are in configurations mode. The type is config T with the configuration mode, the router configuration mode. Now check the IP addresses here. So we have now two different networks. One is the 1.0 network and second one is 2.0 network. So I'm going to assign a router RIP. With that, I type router RIP, then type version always is 2, type network. First network is 192.168.1.0 and second network is 2.0. Alright, then type N, then copy running config and start of config, and it's automatically served. Then close the window, open another PC and go to the desktop and open terminal window, then click OK and type the password, enable, then again password, type config T. Now here we can see this is a configuration mode. Type router RIP, type version 2, type network. This router has two different networks, which are the 2.0 and 3.0 network. So first time type 192.168.2.0. Yeah, sorry, then 3.0 network. Now exit, and again exit, and show IP root. Type this command show you our routing protocol. Here we can see this two line shows these IP address directly connected, and this is our routing protocol, router IP. This router has two different network, 2.0 network and 3.0 network. This router now able to communicate the another network, outside network, from this router, which is 1.0 network. As well as before that, I need to save this command. Type copy and config and startup config. Save and finish. Now close the window. Open this window and go to the terminal. OK. Then type show IP root. Same method we can see here. This router has two different networks, which are the 1.0 and 2.0 network, and this router now is able to communicate 3.0 network, which is the second router. Alright. Now we're going to check this networks is able to communicate both sides. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I close the window, open the windows from this PC, okay, and go to the desktop and click the command prompt. From this command prompt, I'll type ping 192.168.1.2. This is the PC1 IP address from the 1.0 network. Okay, and type, give some time. Okay, says request timeout. Now we can see here replay coming. So this router can able to communicate because we already did routing protocol, which is RIP. Okay, now close this window and go this PC and select the desktop and go to the command prompt. This command prompt, ping from this PC to the PC2, this PC to the second PC, which is second PC IP address 168.3.2. Then now here we can see the replay is coming. Both are communicating. Okay. Now we are going to see how to access the Telnet. The Telnet allows to configure the router outside the network. Okay. So here I'm going to configure this router from this network, 3.0 network. I'm going from this network is a 3.0 network, but this router one has the 1.0 network. So I'm going to configure from this router, this PC, the PC2, from PC2 to router 1. So I'm opening this window, PC2 window. Okay. Then go to the command prompt, type telnet, okay, the router IP address. So I can even type 192.168.2.1 or 192.168.1.1. So I'm here type 192.168.1.1. Then it asks user access verifications. It asks password. I need to type a password because it's outside the world. Anyone can access. So it asks password to configure the router. So I need to type the password. The password is Cisco. Then now we are inside the router. When I access the router, I type enable, then again ask the secret password, which is the class. Now I'm the router. Okay, show IP root. I can access everything from from PC2. Show run. So everything, yeah. As well as I access from this PC to that router. Okay. So go to the command prompt, type telnet, type this router password, the IP address. This IP address here I'm going to type 2.2. Okay. site better. So 192.168.2.2. Okay, then again ask password, type is Cisco. Okay, then enable, then again secret password. Okay, now I'm able to configure this router. Alright. Okay, finally I'm going to show how to assign, how to configure a welcome message in this router. So open the router. I'm using, in this case I'm using console port. I'm open the router, I'm configure the router by console port. So I open the console port, then type config T. Okay, in banner, ask the banner question mark, it says set message of the day, banner. Okay, the day banner message, the type banner. Okay, MOTD, and ask, and the part it says the line see banner text. So here I'm going to enter the cache. Now type your message, welcome to my router 1. Then in the cache, the hash, when I press enter the cache, and then again, now when I press the hash button and enter, now our welcome message is served. Okay, and type exit, then again type is exit, then here you can see our welcome message. Okay, so in this tutorial we see how to configure the router using console port, and how do we assign routing protocol using this PC or another PC. Okay, and also we learn how to configure day of the message. Okay, so this is my fourth tutorial, end of this fourth tutorial. I'll catch you guys in the fifth tutorial in some additional information of Cisco packet tracer. See you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.